Hi guys, are you facing some job problems into current market situations? Especially I'm talking about the Java developers, people who are already belongs to a Java development background. Are you struggling for jobs, and if you are facing a problem into switching up the job, or maybe struggling into your current project, right? So it is majorly because of the skill gap, right? What the industry is looking for, and what is the skills you have. So this is a time to upgrade your skills. So each and every company is looking for a microservice developers, right? Along with the AWS as well as this Docker in the Kubernetes, right? To solve these problems, we have launched this entire step-by-step course where you will learn Spring Boot, entire concept of a Spring Boot build, as well as the microservices concept along with the AWS and Docker containerization and Kubernetes concepts. So this is the entire package we have decided based on the company's requirement, and it is really going to help it to you, right, to develop the projects as well as also and helping it to you for switching up into a job. And also you will be able to develop your own projects based on this entire stack. So you will get the real-time experience. So what are you waiting for? Come join us. We have launched this entire package with the self-learning, as well as we provide the support weekly basis. We provide for job support and interview preparations as well. So you will get multiple things, as well as you will have a refund policy as well for 7 days. So what are you waiting for? Come join us. The entire cost of this entire package is 10k, but we are just offering into a 1999. So come join us. Thank you.